Hi guys, bdorfman here with LBC Capital Income Fund. I've shared a lot of industry insight and over the years, my take on the market. I was right a lot of times. I was wrong a few times. Hopefully I'm more than 51% right. I like to talk about industry. I like to talk about different asset classes of investing. But today I really want to talk to you about our fund, what we do and why we do it. LBC Capital Income Fund. Please subscribe down below if you haven't done so. Like and share and comment. But what are the benefits of investing with us or with in private lending industry if you choose to invest in another fund, really? So I just want to give you 5 pointers on why invest in trust deeds in private mortgage funds, right? So when you invest, you're really looking at hopefully 2 things at least. You're looking at return and you're looking at risk. Some people are obviously only looking at return. I know there's some of you Bitcoin investors out there. Don't call yourself investors. Really, you should be looking at risk and return. And you should be able to look at the balance of risk versus return, and you also have to look at your age. You know, if you're 80 years old, you're retired, and you have a limited amount of investable capital, you're not working, you're not, you know, your risk level should be minimal. And then if you're 25 years old, you're just finished your law school, your income is gonna be going up every year, you can afford to take a lot of risk, right? Plus you're still young. If you lose everything, you can recover 5 times over. Risk reward, okay? So where do we invest, people? Stock market, bond market, gold, Bitcoin, mutual funds. Hopefully you guys are not putting all the eggs in one basket. But real estate is the most amazing, most tangible asset class out there. Everybody knows what real estate investing is. Real estate goes up over time. Real estate you can drive by and touch. I mean, it's amazing. Maybe they'll print one of those Bitcoins so you can carry them in your pocket, but real estate is amazing, okay? Within real estate sector, you can buy real estate, you can develop real estate, or you can invest in loans. This is what we do, this is what other trust deed investors do, okay? It carries limited upside, but it carries much lower downside, okay? There's a lot less risk being a lender on real estate versus being a developer, being an investor. For example, you want to buy a property, rent it out and hold it. You buy a property for $1 million. You're risking $1 million. You're hoping that your rents will cover that. As a lender, we may finance 70% of that $1 million for somebody. So you're buying a property at $1 million, we're giving you 70%, that's 700. Our exposure, our risk is 700. Our risk is extremely minimal. In fact, the biggest risk of our fund is actually paperwork and compliance, not so much real estate. People don't pay, we take over the property. Okay, so benefit of investing in trust deed is extremely low risk. Okay, even compared to real estate investing, actually buying real estate. Okay, 2, you are getting relatively high yield. There's very few real estate investments where you can cash flow more than 8%. You may go to smaller cities, somewhere middle of America, you may get that. But in California, there's no way you're gonna get 8% return cash flow on your money. Okay, so low risk, high return, you're still investing in real estate. Another way you can invest in this fund, you can invest your retirement money. You can invest through self-directed IRA or defined benefit. Okay, low risk, high return, you can invest your retirement savings in it. And it's, as a diversification vehicle, it does not correlate to stock market. Let's face it, most of you guys out there investing in stock market, right? Economy goes up and down, stocks go up or down. This fund has absolutely no correlation to the stock market. So if you invest in LBC Capital Income Fund, it will be a steady return throughout, while your stock market may give you higher returns one year, lower returns. So this is more steady. That's why it's very suitable for retirees. If you're older in life, you don't have a lot of ups and downs in the market left. You don't have income potential from your job. This is really a safe vehicle for you. And you also get me, and you get other people in the office. We have a pretty steady, experienced management team. So this is what really separates us. We're not small, where it's like only a couple of loans. We diversify geographically by asset type, by amount of loans, but at the same time, we're not huge. We're not a Wall Street firm that we wouldn't know what to do if we had to take the asset back, foreclose on the real estate, right? So we know exactly what's in our portfolio. We know exactly what to do with every property if we get to foreclose. And, you know, we keep hand on the pulse in this. So we're just the right size for you, right? We're not looking for investors to invest $50 and $100 million like some of these hedge funds. But, you know, we're looking for accredited investors with investments of $250,000 to $5–10 million. If you have any questions about the fund, about what we do, about private lending industry, please comment, please ask me in this video, and I'll see you guys next time.